My name is Crypto Lifer Sam Price. I have some great information to bring you right now. I want to talk about how you can make an LP token and stake for passive income, and you can yield farm cake and BNB on Pancakeswap. If you're new to DeFi, decentralized finance, you may have no idea what's going on. Let me show you. Right now, I harvested 2 cake. I hit the harvest button. I harvested 2 cake. All right. Cake's going to go to my wallet in a second here, and I'm going to actually harvest that cake. Let's see if the cake is in my wallet now. Let's look for, there's the 2.61 cake that I just harvested. Okay. Let me show you what I'm going to do now. I'm on the cake site. I'm going to go to trade. I'm going to go to liquidity. Okay. Actually, no, I'm going to go to trade first. I'm going to go to trade right now. Watch this. And I'm going to find all the cake that I have. All right. This is important. A lot of people won't show you this. This is how you make passive income using decentralized finance. Okay. So I got my cake now. I hit max. I got my 261 cake. I'm going to sell just half of those, right? I'm going to sell 1.25. I'm going to sell 1.25 cake for BNB. I'm going to swap my 1.25 cake for 0.026 BNB. Right now it's 47 cake per BNB. All right. I'm going to accept that price update. I'm going to confirm the swap. I'm going to make sure I have BNB in my wallet because BNBs are going to pay those fees. Okay. Once it's ready to go, you can see nice and fast. I'm going to hit confirm. I've now sold cake for BNB on a decentralized swap. Okay. All right. Let's make sure it went through. Transaction receipt. Okay. Okay. Now I got 4. Now I got 1, right? Now, so I just sold half of my cake for BNB. Why did I do that? Because I'm now going to go to the liquidity and I'm going to add this liquidity. I'm going to hit add liquidity. I'm going to make what's called an LP token. The currency I'm going to start with is cake. Okay. This is what's going to be the MetaMask course. This is going to be part of it. We're going to do this towards the end. So you're going to see this again later on today if you don't understand what's happening. So if you're getting a piece of this, but you don't like, so look, and then I'm going to hit the 136 cake in the max. And I'm going to use the max amount of cake there, right? And I'm going to hit supply, right? I'm going to hit confirm supply. That's going to give me an LP token because I give a little bit of cake in BNB. That's liquidity. I'm providing liquidity to the decentralized exchange. I hope this makes sense to you. If it doesn't, jump on into my course. I teach DeFi every single month. Jump into the course. Look for the links in the description of this video. Okay. I can add the cake LP token to the MetaMask wallet. I'm pretty sure I already have that, but you can hit add token. It's going to be great, right? Hit close. Transaction has occurred. Make sure you got no cake left. Okay, perfect. So I just supplied. What I did is I took the cake that I just made. See, I sold half the cake for BNB. Then I added the cake and the BNB and I supplied. Now I can go back to earn to the farm. Okay. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the farm, the cake BNB farm. I'm going to hit the plus sign. All right. I'm going to hit the max. There's my LP. I made 0.19 LP token. Annual return is $9 on that. Right. And half a cake's like $4, right? So, and then I hit confirm. What I did is I just took the rewards that I got and I split them back into an LP and I put them back into the farm. In this way, the farm keeps creating gains on gains because you keep taking the gains that the farm gave you to create another LP liquidity token that you then add back into the coin again. It becomes a reoccurring process of gains on gains on gains, okay? So I just want you to understand this. This is how you make an LP token. This is how you yield farm. This is what yield farming is, okay? This is what yield farming is. You can see now I have 7.25. Eventually I'll have 10. And look, that's just $9 grand in there, right? And it says I'm going to make 36%. I mean 900, not $9 grand. That's going to make $360 a year. You see what I'm saying? Just easily doing that. You could also go to the pools and stake cake in the pool. And you can just autoly stake cake, right? Or I just stake cake here all the time on Pancakeswap. And I got stake just sitting here, 609 cake, just keeping going. Look, I got 21 cake in rewards right there. And the APY is 63%. I mean, $5 grand is going to make over $2,000 a year, almost $3,000 a year in this pool. 63% gains, auto cake, automatic restaking it back into the pool. Unbelievable. You can't beat that return. You cannot. And cake was just at $5. It ripped back to about 8. So if you got into the pool when cake was 5 and it ripped to 8, imagine the returns. That's LP tokens, everybody. Thank you so much for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications. You can find out when I post my next video. I go live every day, Monday through Friday, 10 a.m. to 12 p.m., and Saturday and Sunday nights at 8 p.m. I also do tutoring. I have classes on this information. I also have an amazing trading group you would love to jump on into. It's a Discord that will blow your mind. One of the greatest Discords ever created in the history of a trading group. I can't wait to see you there.